Welcome back guys, GTS Garage. Today we're going to do three things. We are going to fix the exhaust, we are going to reinstate the centre stand or the maintenance stand, and last of all we're going to have a go at welding. Now this will be my first weld ever, so it's going to come out as pigeon poo. But that's enough waffle, let's crack on. Okay, so that's the blowing exhaust taken care of. So the next part is I want to get back on. Now I had to take this off for the MOT because there wasn't a way of stopping it hitting the swing arm, so I took it off. So I'm going to put a stop on the other side of this and put this back on because this is a really useful bit of kit. Oh, would you believe that? The hell is that? Right, that's there. So that is one side. Okay. Right, okay, so exhaust now fixed, and maintenance, there we go, maintenance stand back on. So basically I've used that to push this off of the swing arm so it doesn't bounce around, and I've used this so it doesn't drop out of the bottom of the wrench. So it's only going to be used for when I need to actually put it on the centre stand so I can get access to the back wheel or the front wheel. Well, There you go, my first 3 strikes, and it looks like pigeon shit. But she's up, she's working, and she's actually easy to strike. This world is going to be a laugh.